Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix DMs on Instagram. See this homepage, open your profile. Now click on three line here. Go for settings and privacy. Scroll down. Click on message and story replies. Now click on message and controls. Scroll down. Turn this allow access to messages. Go back. Again go for this and turn it on. Okay, now you can fix it this DMs messages. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.